It seems that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra won't be getting a boost in battery life capacity. Despite the anticipation for upgrades, the company has decided to stick with the same 5,000 mAh battery and fast charging speeds introduced in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This news, shared by renowned leaker Sawyer Galaxy on X and echoed by Panda Flash, has left potential buyers disappointed and advised them to keep their expectations low. However, there is a silver lining for those looking for improved battery technology, as Galaxy mentioned that the stacked battery originally planned for the S25 Ultra will now be featured in the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This denser battery offers more power without increasing the size, but it requires a cooling system to prevent overheating. Interestingly, this isn't the first time Samsung has teased a stacked battery system, as it was previously rumored for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but never came to fruition. The last battery upgrade in the Galaxy S line was seen in the S22 Ultra, which increased the capacity to 5,000 from the S21 Ultra's 4,000 mAh. However, despite having the same battery capacity as the S23 Ultra, the Galaxy S24 Ultra outperformed other flagship phones in terms of battery life, falling just 1 hour short of the overall winner, the OnePlus 12 with its larger 5,400 mAh battery. Samsung is carefully examining its production costs to ensure everything is in order. With Qualcomm planning to increase the price of its Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, Samsung will need to focus on the power efficiency of the display and processor. Despite the Galaxy S24 Ultra's impressive battery life with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, Samsung may need to invest in top-of-the-line battery technologies for the S25 Ultra. This could impact Samsung's profit margin, but the company seems more inclined to prioritize upgrading the camera setup for the S25 Ultra based on early rumors. Nonetheless, ICE Universe is already discussing potential hardware upgrades for the Galaxy S25 Ultra or lack thereof. The well-known leaker has hinted that a rumored redesign may not be in the cards for the Galaxy S25 series. According to ICE Universe, it's still too early for any design changes to be set in stone. Furthermore, the leaker claims that the primary camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra won't see any major improvements. Taking to Twitter, they suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be unveiled early next year with the ISOCELL AP2, a 200-megapixel sensor that Samsung has been using on its Ultra smartphones since the S23 Ultra. While this decision may raise eyebrows initially, it's important to remember that Samsung has a history of using the same camera sensor across multiple flagship generations. For example, the ISOCELL AM1 made its debut on the Galaxy S20 Ultra before being refined and rebranded as the ISOCELL AM3 for the Galaxy S21 and S22 Ultra. Similarly, the 50-megapixel primary camera found in the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus has remained largely unchanged in their current generation successors. The trend extends to recent Galaxy Z Fold devices as well, which may not see significant camera upgrades this year. So, what are you hoping to see from Samsung's upcoming S25 lineup? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more updates on our channel. Until next time, take care and peace out.